In this video, I will show you how to clear or delete temp files in your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here, right click on your startup menu right here, and then next thing you want to do, then go ahead and click on run, and this dialog box here is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in temp, then hit on OK, and all the temporary files is going to be found right here on your Windows PC. How can you delete and clear off all these? For that, press Ctrl A on your keyboard. The next thing you want to do is to press Shift key and delete key on your keyboard, and this is going to pump up and tell you the number of temporary files you have on your Windows PC. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on yes right here, and then go ahead and hit on continue. Allow all the file here to be deleted permanently, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.